kinds of patisseries here. This patisserie has been around since 1922. Cheesecake, Spanish cheesecake. So much here. Wow, overwhelming. Full of herbs, buttery, crumbly, like pastry, flaky. Time to try this. Oh, there's a little bit of a crunch at the bottom. Hello and good afternoon from Alexandria. So right now I am outside a patisserie which is very famous. Alexandria has all kinds of patisseries here. Yeah, more popular than in Cairo, I would say. So, and this patisserie has been around since 1922. It was started by a Greek family. I believe it is still owned by a Greek, but I did hear that it was sold to Egyptians in like the 90s. But either way, this patisserie has been around for a very long time. Let's look at the entrance. Patisserie Delices. So let's go inside. This place is huge. So much here. Wow. It's overwhelming. Over here, huge cakes. Small pizzas, large ones. This looks good. I kind of want to eat that. Small pizza, salsons for 50. Salam alaikum.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. ممكن بصور؟
طبعا.
Do I need to order here or أطلب هنا or?
Take away or go see?
أطلب هنا.
ماشي. Give you paper, give it to it. I bring it to you.
Okay, so maybe I'll get that. That looks really good. I should be getting a sweet, of course. I don't know what this music is. Maybe Greek. Don't want to get copyrighted. But let's continue touring this restaurant, bakery, cafe. More stuff over here. Wow, look at all these different cheesecakes. Oreo cheesecake, pistachio. Oh, shukran. Special Japanese cake, Spanish cheesecake. Wow. These look amazing. And all of these tarts as well. Let's go get around.
نوتيلا وبلو بيري. دي نوتيلا وبلو بيري.
Wow, there's too much here. Too much here to choose from, to be honest. I know I want that little pizza, but then I should get something sweet as well. And I can't decide what. Oh man, it's so hard to decide. I guess these are their old machines that they were using while when they first opened in 1922. Crazy. Alright guys, I have to like decide what I'm gonna get and then sit down somewhere. But once I decide, I'll show you and we'll sit down. So I just found a table. This place is massive. I can't film people, so I can't walk around showing you guys, but it is huge. I feel like it's taking up the whole block from like one side of the street to the other. In fact, it is, because I can see the street through on the other side here. So it's huge, but it's also very crowded. It's very busy. Almost all the tables are taken, and I found one. So now I'm at the table. How it is you pick what you want. You are at each glass window and choose what you want, and they'll write it down for you. And then you sit down at the table when you find one, and the waiter will come by and then take your order from you. So I've ordered two things: a little pizza and the bubbly tart, chocolate one. But I also ordered something to go, which I'm going to give the register at the end, which is an apricot tart for later. Yeah, anyways, let's look at the menu for like coffee prices. I actually don't even know how much I'm paying for those either. So their Turkish coffee is 61, which is a little high. Really high, actually. I mean, double the price what you'd find on like the street. If you're on the street, I think I paid for a coffee, I paid 25. Some places 30, maybe 35. But yeah, 61, double. Okay, we have hot beverages, espresso, and juice. Milkshakes. All sorts of things. Breakfast, hot appetizers, cold appetizers. I see Greek food here, shakshuka, Greek yogurt. Just feeling a little bit, definitely Greek. Is that just their version of baba ganoush? Oh my goodness. So, yeah, soups, salads, cold sandwiches, caprese, Italian. Oh my lord, burgers, wings. I can't even show you this whole menu. Crepes, pasta, meat and seafood, chicken and veal. And then we've hit the tarts, the cheesecakes. Still no prices listed though. And all kinds of gelato. Wow, banana split. And all sorts of different flavors of gelato as well. Green apple, pistachio, yogurt with berries, coconut gelato. That sounds good. Or unicorn. You get a unicorn gelato. So I'm gonna decide upon what to drink, and I think my waitress might be here. Maybe that's not. I think she's just trying to get by. What should I drink with chocolate? I have water. Yeah, this is so much. Anyways, well, I'm gonna order once it comes. I will turn the camera back on. It has arrived, and it looks so beautiful. Look at this. And then I also ordered, like I said, this beautiful chocolate mousse tort, bubbly tart is what it was called. Oh yeah. I am so ready to eat this. It looks beautiful. Let's try this little pizza with the little Greek flag on it. It's hot. Look at that. I only bit the bread, and it's so flaky and buttery. And there's herbs. Even the edge is good. That's a good sign. Wow. Oh, and I ordered a Cleopatra. It's just Sprite and strawberry syrup. It's like a Shirley Temple. Basically, it's a Shirley Temple. Grenadine, right? Oh man, this is so good. It's so beautiful. I need to get more of it though. This vegetables, good, amazing. I'm really glad I got this. It's better than I expected. I'm not sure what kind of cheese that is, but it's good. Feta? No. I don't know. Not the best, like, person at guessing cheeses. Salty and delicious. Yeah, the flavors are amazing. Full of herbs, buttery, crumbly, like pastry, flaky. Time to try this. Oh, there's a little bit of a crunch at the bottom when I pushed it down. Whoa, talk about sugar. That is just a black. First, maybe I need to have you guys. Okay, we need to remove this. Oh my gosh. that before. I wonder what it is. Is there a candy called bubbly? There might be. I feel like that exists somewhere. Not in America, but whatever that candy bar is, the name might be coming from that. Now this is beautiful. Just having removed that big candy bar, it is very sweet still. Yeah, that bottom just crumbles. Wow. This place deserves the reputation it has. I wish they had this in Cairo. Yeah. I have to say, this tastes way better than anything I've had in Cairo. No offense to Cairo. But I think Alexandria knows how to make their patisseries for foreign stuff. This is like not Egyptian, right? I just got one looked good. Sugar overload. Wow. Okay. I could keep eating. I am gonna keep eating. And then I'm gonna get my little tart and put it in my backpack and bring it back to the hostel, and then just relax and edit the breeze from the sea coming in. I love it here. I'm not gonna move, but I do love it in Alexandria. So, okay guys, highly recommend coming here. You must make a stop here for some food. Eat a bunch of seafood and then come eat some chocolate cake after. Or eat that little pizza, because it's so good. So yeah, as always, stay tuned for what's coming next. I'll be just going a little more of Alexandria and then moving on up the coast further west. So thank you so much for watching. Give it a big like so it can reach more people, and if you enjoyed it, of course. And I will catch you on the next one. Ma salama.